Hey everyone, it's with Farris, Tarazi Fine Homes and Estates. Welcome to Jackman Street. If you're looking for a single-story, energy-efficient home that offers 4 bedrooms, paved RV access, and many upgrades on the inside, this may be for you. Let's head on in, check it out. Welcome home, featuring tile flooring, Alexa-controlled LED lighting throughout, a dining area, backyard access, a large family room, and a spacious kitchen with modern white cabinetry, granite counters, stainless steel appliances, and a massive center island. Enjoy your primary suite that features a primary bath with dual vanities, separate tub and shower, and a large walk-in closet. Relax and unwind in your complete private backyard that features sunshades, lighting, ceiling fans, and benches. Thank you so much for watching this tour of Jackman Street. For more information, for your own private showing, give me a call at 661-388-0575. And remember, who you work with matters!